Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. Yesterday, crude oil traded cautiously ahead of the G20 summit, which kicks off today in Osaka. The focal point of the summit will be a meeting between the United States and China's leaders. They aim to discuss burning questions in the trade relations and make mutual steps towards the trade deal, which failed to be settled in early May. The trade deal between the two economic superpowers is crucial for the oil market because trade wars could disrupt global economic growth and dent the demand for fuel worldwide. In the recent days, news agencies are speculating on the likelihood that the trade deal will hardly be reached at all. Nevertheless, trading sentiment in the oil market is positive because investors cling on to hopes of progress in the talks between Washington and Beijing. However, any negative news could be bearish for benchmark oil grades. Since early morning, the Brent crude international grade is consolidating at about 66.10–66.30 US dollars a barrel. Immediately after the summit, OPEC and its allies are due to hold a meeting in Wien. The main point on the agenda is discussion on whether the pact on production cuts should be extended for the second half a year. The discussion at the OPEC meeting will depend on progress in the trade talks between Donald Trump and Xi Jinping. Today, traders are alert to news from the G20 summit and speeches of the state leaders. Besides, Becky Hughes is due to release a weekly oil recount in the United States. Yesterday, the US dollar edged down against its rival currencies because the US GDP price index was unrevised from the second estimate. At the same time, emerging market currencies picked up steam against major currencies amid growing appetite for risky assets ahead of the summit. The dollar-ruble pair is trading inside a medium-term downward channel. Now the price is consolidating at near 63, the level above the upper border. Traders are alert to a flood of news in the nearest day. Follow developments in global financial markets with us. Stay tuned.